In the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Dear students, I hope you will be quite fine and hope you will be doing well. You can see that all the teachers are working very hard for your future. You should also understand your responsibility. You must watch and learn the lectures carefully and learn them on daily basis. Hope for the best. In this lecture, we will study question answers of lesson number 7, सुल्तान अहमद मस्जिद. तो सबसे पहले हम इसके क्वेश्चंस पढ़ते हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ वाई सुल्तान अहमद मस्जिद इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज ब्लू मस्जिद. was appointed as the architect of the masjid. यहाँ मस्जिद बोला जाएगा, पढ़ा जाएगा. Why was the heavy iron chain hung at the entrance of the court? How does the interior of the masjid look? Why do you think madrasa and hospice was the part of the masjid? Who constructed mosque या मस्जिद सोफिया. तो ये एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस थे. अब विद इन लेसन जो हैं वो भी साथ पढ़ लेते हैं. ये 7 to 10 है. Who started the construction of Blue Masjid? In whose reign the construction was completed? For what purpose does a heavy iron chain hung there? Where is the royal room situated? Now let's start our answers. Here are given the easy answers. जो स्टूडेंट्स ईजी करना चाहें वो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रेफरेंस जो है ना वो स्टैंडर्ड को दी जाती है, तो आपने स्टैंडर्ड आंसर वो करने हैं. उसमें फर्स्ट देखें, सुल्तान अहमद मस्जिद इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज ब्लू मस्जिद बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लू टाइल्स दैट एम्बेलिश इट्स इंटीरियर. The royal architect Sadafar Mehmet Aga was appointed as the architect of the masjid. A heavy iron chain was hung at the entrance of the court so that the Sultan had to lower his head every time he entered the court. It was a gesture to ensure the humility of the ruler in the face of the divine. Number 4. The interior of the masjid looks wonderful. The lower level is lined with handmade ceramic tiles, while the upper level is adorned with blue paint. Number 5. Hospice is lodging for travelers and madrasa is a place where religious education is provided. So both hospice and madrasa can be taken as part of the masjid. ये बात आपने याद रखनी है कि जहाँ भी मॉस्क लिखा हुआ है उसको अमेंडमेंट कर दी गई है, लेकिन अभी इसमें नोट्स में नहीं हुई, तो आप वहाँ पर मस्जिद लिखेंगे और वही पढ़ा जाएगा. नंबर 6 इज़ द हाजिया सोफिया was constructed by church by Justinian the Great. Later, the Ottoman Empire Mehmed II changed the church into a masjid. Number 7. Sultan Ahmad Masjid. Sultan Ahmad I started the construction of the Blue Masjid in 1609. Number 8. The construction of the masjid was completed in 1616 during the reign of Mustafa I. Number 9. A heavy iron chain was hung at the entrance of the court so that the Sultan had to lower his head every time he entered the court. It was gesture to ensure the humility of the ruler in the face of the divine. And the last one is the royal room is situated at the southeast corner of the masjid. So students, इसको अच्छी तरह से आपने लर्न करना है और इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी आपने एटलीस्ट 3 टाइम्स कर लें, रजिस्टर पे कर लें, तो ये बेटर हो जाएगा, आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लर्न